This is Jesse Barnum from 360works, here to talk about how MirrorSync works with the iOS SDK for FileMaker, and specifically how easy it can make it to deploy new versions of your runtime applications. What I'm showing you right now is a pet rescue application created so that volunteers on site at an event can enter adoption information and then sync that up to a central server. This is not FileMaker Go. This is a FileMaker solution that was bundled using Xcode so that it could be deployed either through the App Store or using MDM mobile device management. I'm entering all the information here. This is a great solution for things like pet rescue events where you don't know if there's going to be Wi-Fi or cellular data at the event. And then I'm going to run my initial sync to push all those changes up to the server. That's great, but if you've seen MirrorSync videos before, none of that is new to you. What I want to show you now, which is new, is the ability to make this change to my FileMaker solution in FileMaker Pro. In particular, I don't like the fact that the delete button is right next to the edit button. I'm going to put it to the right side so that you don't accidentally click the delete button. I'm also going to change the color to make it a little bit less prominent. I want to show you now how the application version feature works. I'm going to go to field definitions. I'm going to modify the MirrorSync table, and I'm going to look for the database version field. It's currently set to 1.0. You can change this to anything other that's different than that. And now let's go back to my bundled application, run another sync. The sync finishes quickly, but now I get prompted to see whether I want to download the new version. This is really significant because we're now able to easily deploy changes to our FileMaker solution to runtime devices in the field without needing to go through the App Store or MDM software for minor version changes like this. You can get a free MirrorSync license from MirrorSync.com for a single device, and we have special bundle pricing for 1,000 devices or more. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see more content from 360works.